Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Ghost playing cards by Illusionist, bicycle branded, made by the United States Playing Card Company. Let's get in there. I mean, I've had this deck for a while. I've had a number of this deck. I've got a couple of decks like this that they've been out for a good while, and I've bought many of them. So yeah, I've had a good play with this deck before, not this particular one. On the side here we've got the UV500 Airflow finish, made in the USA, United States Playing Card Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. We've got the bicycle logo there on the bottom, and more information visit the illusionist.com. And then we have the inverted back design there. So white seal, bicycle copyright information inside there, and let's get into the deck. So here we have a bit of information about a trick ghost deck. Now this isn't that particular one, this is the ghost deck, but there is a trick one full of gaff cards that you can use to create various magical illusions and tricks. That's pretty cool. It's about learning magic tricks and getting DVDs from Illusionist. Very nice. We also have Joker here at the front. Looks almost like a scarecrow, like a fishing pole. And a second one there. So into the ghost design itself, we have the Ace of Spades. I really like how they put the A inside the corner pip there. It's very cool. And we have a very standard deck of cards until you get to the royalty, which is obviously black and white coloured to match the theme. Very nice. Now this I really like, the black outline to the red pips, which is awesome, as the coloured pips that would be normally adorning the centre are actually in fact black. So it makes an easy way to differentiate between the suits without having to colour those pips, which is very, very nice, very cool. Back to black there. So very, very nice. Big fan. And we've got the back there, which is like an inverted rider back. And it's just a very, very nice deck. It's a variation. It adds, rather than having a standard rider back, which you can pick up really rather cheaply, you can pick these up at almost the same price these days. As I said, they've been around for quite some time now, and they're just a really nice deck. I've been a big fan of this deck for a long time. Used them for a long time, as I've said. And apart from the sort of variable in the corner pips and the red pips being black, there isn't much to write home about the faces, but they just feel nice, they look nice. They have that really awesome UV500 finish. They handle really very well, and they're just really nice deck of cards, guys. They're in that sort of cheap and cheerful range where you can pay up to sort of £20–25 for a decent deck, depending on the designer, depending on where it's made, depending on who's releasing it. And these are sort of something a bit different. They're not quite as standard as you'd get from a standard deck of cards, but they are very much in that ballpark price wise. So yeah, overall it's a very, very nice deck of cards. Can't really go wrong with them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.